Welcome back. Now for you divine guests, we are going to make a dish that is equally as divine, and that is the Ambrosia Salad. Now many consider this to be a salad, some a dessert, but anyone who has tried it can undoubtedly say that it is delicious. And it is pretty simple, and it's going to consist of the ingredients here we have on this table. It's going to be mandarin oranges, pineapple chunks, marshmallows, sweetened coconut flakes, sour cream, and the sour cream can be substituted for yogurt. It's really a personal preference. And then here we have our fresh, just made whipped cream and our maraschino cherries. Now first we're going to start by adding our sour cream. And this dish dates back to around the 1800s. It was first seen in a cookbook when citrus fruits became more readily available, but remained popular through the 1920s when fruit in general became more easily accessible. Super easy, super delicious, and you're just gonna mix all of it together. We're just gonna start by adding some, and then we'll kind of see how it goes from there. We want to try to do equal parts, but of course it's a preference thing, so if you want to add more or less, that is completely up to you. Then we're gonna go with some coconut. And I do like to do a little bit less of this, just because it's more of a flavor enhancer, but you don't want too much. And now the marshmallows. And finally, we're gonna top it with the maraschino cherries. And I like to save a few of them just to top it off as a sort of garnish, make it look a little prettier. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. And you wanna make sure that everything is fully coated, fully incorporated, getting the sour cream and the whipped cream evenly distributed.
I would say fuck it and add the rest of the fruit.
Yeah, I'm gonna add the rest of the fruit because there's definitely a lot.
It'll be good to watch.
They kind of look like grapes, the maraschino cherries. And as everything's getting fully incorporated, there's not much else to do besides plate it and serve it. Again, super easy, super simple, quite a divine dish in my opinion, fitting the name Ambrosia, which literally means the food of the gods. All right, and now that it's fully mixed, let's give it a try. And I personally have never had this, but I am eager and super excited to try it. And yeah, I mean, it lives up to the name. It is a divine dish. There's a good mixture of sweetness, cream, fruity. It's amazing. I can understand why it was a very popular holiday dish, but yeah, it's definitely something I recommend trying. You know, hopefully when you make this dish, you will feel the same exact way about it. But don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, if you want to keep updated with everything that we do here at the restaurant, don't forget to follow all our socials. We continue to post new videos and new content all the time. And if you do want to dine in restaurant, unfortunately you won't be able to taste this dish for yourself. But if you want to taste some other delicious desserts or salads that we have in store, just go down into the description below and click that link. And we'll see you here soon. Thank you.